Hi everybody, this is the video that I'm going to be going in depth on with the um, pamphlets from the Fairgrounds Carnival. I'm just going to leave it focused for a minute so that you can take a screenshot if you choose to. And just remember that all this is copyrighted information, so you just need to watch what you do with it, unless they give you permission to use it elsewhere. I'm going to turn this over. I'm sure these organizations could use all the advertisement they could, but we still have to. Oh, fudge. I didn't have to turn it over. I got the one next to it. Fudgeroni. See, there's the one that's the duplicate. But that's okay. Here's the front. And again, I'm going to leave it a second so you can get a screenshot. This won't be a long video, so hopefully you'll be able to go through it a couple of times to get all the screenshots that you need. Biofreeze, I'm not sure what it is. I'm going to take this off so you could see what's under it. And again, if you need a screenshot for your purposes, take a screenshot. I'm not sure where Lake Area Physical Therapy is. That's a 352 area code. It's most likely Gainesville and its surroundings.